Here's how to import a product from CJ Dropshipping into your store, and let the AI build the entire listing for you. Start on the CJ Dropshipping product page. Importify adds its own button. Click Add. It reads the listing, but nothing is imported yet. The whole listing lands in the editor. Title, images, variants, price. Now open the AI wizard. 6 steps to a finished listing. Step 1. The supplier's title runs 140 characters, with the same words repeating. The AI writes one at 67, focused on the specifications that matter. Step 2. The description, rewritten in your voice, with the specifications and bullet lists kept intact. Step 3. Choose your images. The supplier's video comes across as well. Step 4. Set your multiplier. Careful here. It works from the product cost, 52 cents, which doubles to $1.99. But CJ quotes shipping separately, $5.69 on this item, so work your markup off the landed total, not the product price. Step 5. Search tags, a product type, and a meta description, all generated in one click. Step 6. 100 out of 100. Title, description, images, pricing, and search, all checked. Import. Everything transfers. And it's live, with the supplier's video right there on the page. That's one product. Now do the next one.